Start off with the basics, put a block on a spring. When you let it go, better watch how it swings. The block always moves to the point of equilibrium. That's the force of the spring pushing back Namibia. Restoring force on the block is Hooke's law. F equals negative K, X, that's what I look for. The force is proportional to the position. That minus sign meaning it's acting in opposition. Another example of harmonic motion, a pendulum swinging so smoothly like lotion. The mass on the spring moves left and right. Restoring force is negative mg times sine. The period is the time that it takes for the mass to return to its original place. The inverse of period is called frequency, like how often I study. Did you do it recently?
It's simple harmonic motion. Periodic things like swings and springs. Simple harmonic motion is repeated. Simple harmonic motion. I'll just gotta restoring force. Simple harmonic motion. It's back and forth.
Omega is defined as 2 pi over t, or the root of k over m and root L under g. It's called angular frequency in radians per second. Don't mistake it for angular velocity, I reckon. It's an SHM graph where it's x versus t. Sinusoidal functions are applied universally. Amplitude times cosine omega t plus phi, where phi is the phase constant that you abide by. To find that velocity, you take the derivative. Negative omega a times sine omega t plus phi is the multiplicative. Acceleration is a derivative of velocity. It's position times negative omega squared velocity. Mass is at equilibrium, position is at 0, but velocity is at its highest, just like my dinero. The acceleration is 0 because velocity is constant. Max v means energy is highest, it's corresponding.
It's simple harmonic motion. Periodic things like swings and springs. Simple harmonic motion is repeated. Simple harmonic motion. I'll just gotta restoring force. Simple harmonic motion. It's back and forth.
The system repeats in equal intervals of time.
Negative acceleration is proportional to the displacement.
The period is independent of amplitude.
That's simple harmonic motion.
It's simple harmonic motion. Periodic things like swings and springs. Simple harmonic motion is repeated. Simple harmonic motion. I'll just gotta restoring force. Simple harmonic motion. It's back and forth.